So I'm going to show you how to buy cryptos in Ledger. First of all, we're going to go here and we're going to get buy and sell. You're going to decide what you're going to buy and sell. And you will have to have those apps already there. I'm going to check the price of algo. Okay. Right now is $26. Go back here. I'm gonna buy Cardano. I'm gonna add to. Didn't have Cardano. Thought I had the app already, but I guess not. Put your PIN. Once I confirm, it's going to tell me to open ADA. I'm going to open it. It's going to synchronize. Then I'm going to add account. Done. So now I'm going to go and continue. And I'm going to use moonpay because I already used it. Usually they ask you your basically your name, email address, all that stuff, and then you can actually decide how much you're gonna get. I'm gonna get $30 of ADA. Then I'm gonna continue. Gonna select the wallet. Then I'm gonna approve the wallet. It's going to check, verify the address. Okay. Once you verify, confirm the address, and then you will actually continue. I can't even buy ADA in my region. That's ridiculous. So I got to go back. I don't know why it's wrong for me to buy ADA. So I'm going to try to buy something else. You can buy XRP either in Ledger, just so you know. You can sell here and you can buy. I am going then to buy some more. Go back here. Just going to buy more XLM then. So I'm going to put here XLM, Stellar. Continue. You can go for moonpay or CoinFi. Some places, some don't work. Weather region. Gonna get 30 XLM, which is gonna give me 228 XLM. Gonna continue. I'm going to confirm my wallet. I got two. I want it in the Nano X. I'm gonna go here and open app. I'm gonna check. Confirm address. You look at the address. Once you confirm, you approve. And you keep going down. You're going to go continue. You check again. You agree. And you buy now. Oh, I forgot. The minimum order is $32. I always forget. It's the minimum that you need to buy, 32. Okay. 32. Okay, you agree, you buy now, and then it's going to say that it's processing the payment. It's going to tell me to confirm my ID, my bank, because my bank is very picky about where I do business. I'm going to authorize. I'm going to say yes. Yes, I authorize this. Then once I says I authorize this, I verify on my device. Now we're waiting for it. And now it's order, it's verified, it's processing. And that's about it. It takes some processing time. So it's delivering. Remember that I ordered 272 XLM. And now it's delivering. And that's how you buy. Basically, you buy crypto in